Boosting metabolism is the holy grail of Weight Watchers everywhere. There's not a day for me that I don't see comments regarding people wanting to have some ultra-speedy fast metabolism on the internet. According to my research, how fast or slow one's metabolism is played by our genetics. As usual, genes rule. Given this, there are tons of ways you can boost your metabolism that are proven to work on people. Let's start with the most basic. Your body needs water to process calories. If you are even mildly dehydrated, your metabolism may slow down. To stay hydrated, drink a glass of water or other unsweetened beverage before every meal and snack. Snack on fresh fruits and vegetables, which naturally contain water, rather than pretzels or chips. That's one more reason to drink water. If you're a coffee drinker, you probably enjoy the energy and concentration perks. I don't usually like coffee that much because it makes me unable to sleep, but if your body can tolerate it, then coffee is your friend. Taken in moderation, one of coffee's benefits is a short-term rise in your metabolic rate. Caffeine can help you feel less tired and even increase your endurance while you exercise. I always find this tip everywhere on TikTok and Reddit, and it works wonders. Trust me. Drinking green tea or oolong tea offers the combined benefits of caffeine and catechins, substances shown to rev up the metabolism for a couple of hours. I have never stressed it enough, but get enough sleep. You might know it before, but proper sleep hours can actually help your metabolism. When you're sleep deprived, you tend to overeat since your body is thinking you're in a fight or flight scenario and is trying to intake as many and as high as caloric food as possible. Hence your likely craves for sweets when you're sleep deprived. Yes, you're not burning a significant amount more calories, but you are building calories. But make sure you aren't rewarding yourself for working out with food. If you need a reward, that's fine. But don't make it food. More things you can do are eating protein, energy drinks, but I want you to focus on the 5 I've said since I find them the easiest. With how basic they are, I'm sure you have been doing them routinely. Now you know that you're boosting your metabolism even without actually working out for it, so just continue. Lastly, this is a topic my viewer requested from me, so feel free to leave in the comments what topic I should do next.